So today we'll see how to retrofit reverse camera along with the boot opening switch, which is we should work from here. Specifically my 2013 Vento Highline plan doesn't have this the cavity for the camera as well as for the boot switch, so I'll be doing both together. In retrofit kit you will get the camera, this video cable, this blue connector for the cord lock connector, and this is the power cable. This one is for ground, and this white one is basically for the reverse signal from the passenger side tail light connector. So my Vento 2013 doesn't have the hole. So what I did the 110mm hole here to fit in the boot switch or the OEM reverse camera, and I applied the rubber tape, which is waterproof rubber tape, to prevent the water leakage inside the trunk or to go inside the wiring setup that I did for the camera and for the trunk boot switch open. So now I have routed this camera wiring plus boot switch harness from here from this grommet till you have to, for Ventos you have to loop the wire here, because this dicky extension should work properly, or else you will your wiring harness will be entangled here. So properly loop here and give a little space to this wiring. If you don't give it to the proper space, if you redirect from here directly, that will tear your wiring, so be careful about that. I have given a ground for camera and boot switch to this bolt, which is available on every car, Polo, Vento, Rapid. So you can give a ground here for both. I give it for both camera and the boot switch. And for the reverse light connection, I have tapped the wire. I routed the wire all the way from the back side of this boot curtain to the passenger side. Then I took wire from here. I removed this panel. There are clips here. If you pull out, it should remove. This will be will be removed. And from here, this also the panel I removed and routed wire from here till the driver's exact clips. You will find it on these door trims. If you pull up, you just need to pull up and this will be unlocked. So I'll be routing this wiring from here to the radio. After I routed the wire from this dashboard to this radio trim, your video cable is here. This is your power cable, and this white cable I'm running a retrofit for the boot switch. I'll be doing it later. I'll be taking the connection from this door side lineless connection to work in order to work the boot switch. Now we'll focus on the video output cable wiring. So this blue connector will have markings here, 1 to 6. This is 12-pin connector. So you will see there is 6 and 12. So this is where we need to put our two video output cable. You will see this is number 6 and this is our number 12. So this is how should the connection look like. The white will go to number 6 and the black wire will go to the number 12 connector here. Once you put the wire here, you just need to tap this connector and this will be fixed. Now this blue connector will go to the exactly behind the speaker connector. You will connect here. I'll show it in a bit. This is where your blue connector will fit in behind the under your speaker tab. This is your feed. And for the power, I took power from the parking gate, fuse 5 amp. I have a few of the retrofit that are running here from the fuse tab itself, so better to get it from the fuse tab because it will prevent any sudden power surge or sudden power spike in the car if you run into the any. So better to take the power always from the fuse box. To remove this grommet, you just pull this out. You press downward and you pull this out. This way you'll remove the rubber. And you see the tab over here. If you pull this tab downwards, it will this connector will be pop up. So for the boot switch connection, I removed the driver side door connector, and from this side I have tapped the power wire from the wire number 3. If you see, this is 1 2 3. This is yellow and gray wire. This is the canvas line for the boot open switch if you wanted to retrofit in the as a soft touch boot switch open. So this camera shows me my reverse backup camera as well as my 4K OPS model as well, so I can switch on to both. I'm planning in future to install 8K OPS as well, but currently this is my setup looks like. This is optical sensor 4K OPS model, and I can anytime switch back to my camera as well.